Okay.
Okay, we going? All right, tell them what we're doing.
It's like at a press conference.
Okay. Ready? Oh, Abigail, hey. Oh. Hey. Okay. What's happening?
She's more interested in the bowl.
Hey. You try a little bit of this? Oh, I know, it's so exciting.
She's excited.
What do you think? What do you think? What is that?
What is that?
Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, look.
What is,
Abigail, you're having cereal.
what is that? Huh? Oh. What are we doing?
I think she likes it. That is so sweet.
Can you put the spoon in your mouth? Go on.
Oh.
There you go. That was a good one. That was a good one.
Is that yummy?
See, I'm gonna need a bath after this.
That's okay. We'll clean her up.
Oh, there you go. Good girl. Good job.
She's like, I kind of like this. Look at her.
Is that yummy? What do you think?
Rob, get close by.
Yeah, go ahead over there.
Yummy?
Good.
Oh,
my.
oh my!
Wait, open your
You
mouth.
got a little excited there.
Will you prop her up a little bit more?
Now I see what's going on here.
What do you think? Oh my goodness, you are
Oh, that's all right.
really messed.
You know what? You can't worry about it. You just let it go, baby.
Yeah, perfect.
Just let it go. Just let it go, baby.
Look.
What do you think? More? Oh.
That is so good.
Look at how good she's doing.
She's not making a face? or
No, and she
anything.
puts that tongue underneath the spoon, and she likes it.
Like, oh, I think there's more. She's excited.
Oh, what are we doing? Oh, there you go.
Goodness.
That
was
is
good.
Hang on,
amazing.
Chris.
That was good. Do you want some more, Abigail? Do you want some more?
Yeah, you do.
Huh? Go on. Oh, there you go. That was good. That was good.
You see how excited she gets when the spoon starts to come close?
What do you think? Oh, are you finished or are you just messy? What do you think? Do you want more? Do you want more?
You don't have to eat it off the bib.
I think she tasted on the bib. Oh, good job.
Okay.
That was a
Lindsay.
really good job.
What do we have, Lindsay? Tell us.
We have rice cereal,
Mixed with?
little breast milk.
Yay, Abigail.
Okay. Hey.
I think she's crying.